All right, everybody. Emergency part store run. Trying to get the 928 to the DeutscheMarques show this weekend. I've got a fuel leak in the rear end. Discovered really poor hose from the fuel strainer to the fuel pump. And then also discovered the fuel strainer gasket, O-ring, whatever, to the tank is pretty much trash. I took it off, it looked crunchy, I set it down. By the time the fuel dried out, it literally crumbled into a pile of dust. So, we're gonna try to find an O-ring to make it work, and we're gonna take our trusty steed, the dune buggy, to the parts store. So, gonna throw the GoPro and hit the road. Let's go. All right, everybody, we're on a rescue mission. Got to get to the parts store, trying to cobble together sealing up my fuel system in the 928 before the DeutscheMarques car show on Saturday, and it's Thursday at about 4:30 right now. So the part I really need is available to order online, but none of the anywhere local Porsche dealers have what I need. I think actually the dealer I called said there weren't any of these parts for 6 states, basically. I did find some on the east side of the state, about a 2-hour drive each way. But I got 1 day to do it, and it's like 4 or 5 hours to get there and back. So I'm like, you know, maybe I can find something to make it work. I don't want to be that guy, you know, pouring fuel all over a car show, you know, turning into a fireball. So we're gonna stop by trusty old NAPA Auto Parts, see if we can find an O-ring for this fuel tank screen. Fingers crossed. Made it. Woo! I never get through that light on the first try. Must be a sign of things to come. Maybe I'll find an O-ring I need. It's a good size O-ring too. I'll show you the part in question shortly. You know, it's like $7 or less from all these like Porsche specialty websites and stuff. It's not an expensive part. So I could get it in a week and a half or so. But the show is in 2 days. Actually, a day and a half. So I need something to get by. Man, couldn't ask for a better day. About 80 degrees, sunny, a couple of clouds. Just perfect. It has been hot. It was smoking hot over the 4th of July weekend. Yesterday was the 5th. I think it was 92 or something. Which, pretty hot for Michigan. My turn signal has been on for 5 minutes. Well, great success. We've got an O-ring. We're gonna see if it seals up now. Mike will get us through so I can get the right parts. The screen is trash, like I said, so we gotta get a new one anyway, but hopefully this will get us through the weekend and everything. Hello, officer. Just your friendly local neighborhood dune buggy here, nothing to see here. Easy. Easy does it. Oh, my parking spot's open, but there's a cop in front of me. We're just gonna go sit right over here for a moment, let him go away, and then, yeah, we're gonna go steal that spot, I think. This is becoming a theme. Just sitting here waiting on a cop to turn so I can do an illegal U-turn. But is it illegal? I don't even know. Maybe it's not. Oh no. So much traffic. I may have miscalculated this one, folks. There's 48,000 people downtown right now. What is going on? This is going terribly. Oh, my Lanza, we finally did it. Now my spot's probably gone, but it's the price you pay. It's a dangerous game. Woo! We did it. Time to start heading towards the house. I gotta make one last stop. I forgot to buy something at the parts store. What we got on the way home? Green light, 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 green light. No. Where is it? Come on. As soon as I pull the clutch out, it's gonna go green. Hey. Everybody's hard on the brakes. Why? Why you stop now? It's just non-stop fun in this thing. And to the parts store again for the 2, 3, 4, 5th time today. I think 5 times. It's been a big day for auto parts stores. Man, for a town that has nothing going on in it, there's sure a lot of traffic. We are done buying stuff for the next, like, 2 hours. Geez, everybody's driving frisky today. Everybody's getting kind of frisky. Hey, side by side. What's up, brother? On the way home for the final time. So much shopping, so little working. So much stuff to fix, and I'm just driving around buying crap all day. Well, as far as I know, we've got all of our parts. They're not the right parts, but they should fit ish enough to, you know, drive 50 to 60 miles for a car show. So we're gonna get home. We're gonna try to throw this fuel tank screen back in with this new O-ring. Fingers crossed. Got our new hose, cut to length, not the molded Porsche hose, of course. And yeah, pour some fuel back in this thing and hope for the best. So that's the plan. Man, 4th gear with a Beetle body on something like this must just be a dog. This thing weighs nothing and it struggles. Of course, I've probably lost a couple of horsepower. It's a minor detail. I wouldn't worry about that little guy. Oh, hey, 4th gear. What's the reverse of a money shift? That's what that was. Where's that little boy? Bring him to me. Where's that buddy? I'm gonna go find him. I bet he's out back. I knew I'd find you. Hi, buddy. Do you want to get in? Here, get in. Hi. Whoa. Whoa. Can I drive you to mommy? Woo! Woohoo! Woo! He's way less scared than his sister.
High five. High five, Daddy.
Well, we're back to the scene of the crime here. I've got my pretty disheveled workspace cooking here. Got the 928 torn apart. It was leaking fuel. Ugh. Way down here, I pulled the inspection cover off the back. Anywho, up in yonder, that's where this feller lives, that the hose attaches to, that then runs into the fuel pump, right there, that blue pump. So, got a new piece of hose for it. Not the right one. Where is it? Here's the factory one. That guy's $80 from Porsche for a molded hose. This was like $4 of half-inch fuel line. Got some clamps that aren't right. Got an O-ring, focus, O-ring that's not right. And we're gonna put it all back together and see if we can make the car show on Saturday. So if the next video you see is of me at the DeutscheMarques German car show at the Gilmore Car Museum, then I was successful. So thanks for checking out the video. Hope you liked what you see. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And look forward to catching you on the next one. Thanks.